good evening everybody. This is Divya Gandhi. So today we will be talking about the most common coffee which people are consuming these days, that is your bulletproof coffee. So before I share about the benefits and the recipe of this bulletproof coffee, I'll just share one thing. I remember a few weeks back, I was sitting in a cafe, few months back, I was sitting in a cafe with one of my friends and he asked me why this coffee is called a bulletproof coffee. So what is bulletproof? Something which protects you from bullets, right? So bulletproof coffee is something in which you are consuming fats, but then you will not gain weight. Instead of that, you will be losing weight after drinking this coffee. So let's see what are the ingredients, what time you should be taking it, and what are the benefits, and how this happens in the body, that you're consuming fat and yet you are losing weight. So bulletproof coffee is made with water, your black coffee, coconut oil, any good fat, be it a peanut butter or your desi ghee. So how you're supposed to make it? You can make it cold or hot. You just need to take 2 glasses of water, which is approximately 400 to 500 ml. Add 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of black coffee to it. Add 2 teaspoon of coconut oil, 2 tablespoon of peanut butter or your desi ghee. Blend it in the mixer grinder and then your coffee is ready. Now, how it benefits your body? Coffee, as we all know, it gives you energy. Whenever people they go to gym, they try to have bulletproof coffee, they try to have black coffee so that they feel energetic. It gives you activeness. Plus, it helps you to cut fat. Second is your coconut oil. It increases your HDL level. It is good for your heart. It is good for your liver. So, coconut oil also is good for people who are constipated. So, even after having no salt during the day and not having a proper meal, you will not be constipated the next day, right? Third is your peanut butter. We all know it is loaded with protein and potassium. It is very high in fiber. It is very high in antioxidant. It is very good source if somebody wants to gain muscle. If somebody is not using peanut butter and is using ghee, ghee is good for your bones, your muscle. It is good source through which we can increase our good cholesterol. So all these things are something which are good for your body. Now, what is the time one should be taking it? It should be taken empty stomach. It should be your breakfast. It should not be along with your breakfast. It is a complete meal. You can have it for your breakfast. You will be full. Now, when we talk about butter, the butter that we use in it should not be salted. It should be an unsalted butter. When we consume this coffee in breakfast, it keeps our body in a state when our body burns fat. Instead of taking energy from the stored glucose or generating glucose, it cuts fat. So you're consuming fat in the morning because of coffee, coconut oil, peanut butter. You will be active in the morning. You will be full till afternoon. Make sure you're not eating anything with this bulletproof coffee, because otherwise you may end up gaining weight. Because there might be craving of eating something salted, but then rest assured you will not feel hungry after taking this coffee. So this coffee first thing in the morning as your breakfast is going to help you to lose weight. Apart from adding to this, there are people who are hypertensive. There are people who are suffering from some kind of metabolic disorder or a heart problem. So make sure whosoever is consuming it, it is something which should be consumed under somebody's guidance, because it can increase your heart rate, it can increase your blood pressure, it can increase your cholesterol levels. So whenever you are consuming it, it should be under guidance. It is generally being taken in keto diet. Keto diet again has certain side effects, it has certain benefits. So I will be talking about keto diet and side effects of bulletproof coffee in my another video. But yes, for a shorter period of time, maybe if you want to eat a cheat meal in dinner, you can have this bulletproof coffee in breakfast, eat some sorted vegetables for lunch, or maybe if you're a non-vegetarian, you can have boiled egg whites in lunch, and dinner you can actually cheat, and next day your weight will not be up. So follow this on your cheat day. If you want to follow it as a part of your diet plan, you can leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to help you with that. In case if you have any query regarding the Bulletproof Coffee, regarding the keto diet, or regarding any diet related thing, you can leave a comment on Facebook, on Instagram, or on YouTube. I'm there to answer all your queries. So I will see you tomorrow with more of my knowledge. Stay fit, stay home, stay beautiful. Vaheguru Ji bless you.